to easily create a carousel post on Instagram. So to start, we'll just have to open our Instagram application, and then once we're here on our account, to create a post, we'll have to tap on this plus sign, and then in here, make sure you choose the post option, and then after that, we can now choose our photos and videos. To select multiple photos and videos, all you need to do is to tap on this multiple icon, and then after that, simply select the photos and videos that you want to use. Once we're done, tap on the next option, and then in here we can also choose different songs or music to add to our post. Once we're done, simply tap on the next option, and then in here tap on the OK option, and then before we upload our post, we can also add a caption. So as an example, I'm gonna type here desk setup, and then after that I can also add a location, tag this post to someone, and also add a music. And then once I'm done editing my post, all I need to do is to tap on the share option to upload my post. And then after that, we'll just have to wait for a little. Once the post is uploaded, we'll just have to go to our profile, tap on this profile icon, and then in here, we'll just have to refresh our account to see that post. So that's how easy you can create a carousel post on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please do subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!